देयर इज अ स्पेनिश कंपनी जो एक एंटी हेलनेर डिवाइस बनाती है। एक डिवाइस हम डिप्लॉय कर सकते हैं जो 5 किलोमीटर की रेडियस में काम करती है, दैट कैन प्रिवेंट हेल स्टॉर्म्स इन दैट 5 किलोमीटर रेडियस।
We have increased quality parameters that we have to be globally competitive.
One of the biggest challenges that we have is that our production is low so far, and the quality has to come up.
अदाब, आप देख रहे हैं आवाज द वॉइस और मैं हूं आपके साथ यास्मीन खान। और एक बार फिर से CII का एक इवेंट हुआ है जो कि है एप्पल कॉन्क्लेव इन JNK। दिस इज द 5th एडिशन जिसमें इन्होंने डिस्कस किया है कि एप्पल इंडस्ट्री कश्मीर में क्या क्या चैलेंज फेस करी है। अब इस इवेंट का जो हिस्सा बने हैं वो कश्मीर के बड़े स्टेक होल्डर्स और फार्मर्स जो अभी ऑन फील्ड ये बता रहे हैं कि ये जो इंडस्ट्री है क्या क्या चैलेंज फेस करी है। अब बात करते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री की, तो ग्लोबल लेवल पे कई सारे कॉम्पिटिशन्स हो रहे हैं। अब ये देखना है कि कश्मीरी एप्पल को किस तरह से एक ग्लोबल ब्रांड बनाया जा सकता है। क्या कुछ है फर्दर इस इवेंट में, आइए आपको दिखाते हैं।
Apple farming is our background, is our backbone of our economy. So this conclave, as presented, is an Apple conclave. So we're going to be focused on that. So today we'll hear perspective from policy. We have Sartaj Saab, we have Jawad Saab. Field management, we have Majid Saab, we have Khalid Saab, and innovation, we have Mr. Karan Sikri.
We have deployed weather stations across the region wherein we gather data from across these weather stations. Then we run these data points through our algorithms and then send any alerts to the growers.
More than 100 farmers are coming to our region for testing their soil samples. Secondly, we are in the process to develop a soil quality map across the Kashmir region and Jammu region.
Once we grow mushrooms, now there are a lot of farmers to whom we are associated with. We discard a lot of compost once we reap out button mushrooms out of that, right? Now this compost is supposed to be, I'm not a technical person on this. This compost is supposed to be, giving very good results vis-a-vis improvement of soil health. So some of my friends across sitting here on the table are using it. So inshallah we will, join with that, wherein you can also promote this and perhaps see if the results are good, things can be, done in a good direction.
जो हमारी ट्रेडिशनल ऑर्चर्डिंग है उसमें जो शेयर ऑफ जो प्रीमियम क्रॉप है जिसमें एक्चुअल पैसा फार्मर कमाता है एक रेट, इट इज बिटवीन 30 to 40%। तो फिर अगर उस 30 to 40% में भी उसको एक प्रॉपर मार्केट ना मिले तो हम खुद अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि फायदा लेने से ज्यादा उसको नुकसान ही हो सकता है, क्योंकि पूरा पैसा उसका साल का उसकी जो है मैनेजमेंट में जाता है।
I have been joined by Davar Mir. Davar, what is this conclave about, and why do we need such conclaves to secure the future of Apple industry in Kashmir?
This is the 5th edition of the CII Apple Conclave. The basic idea behind the conclave is we do it every year to create a connect between the farmers, the service providers, and the industry in general with the government departments as such. So it is one of our initiatives where we expect that we should not work in silos. Rather, we should work with each other so that there is more sustainability. We are able to penetrate the market in a better way. And if in any case we are lacking anywhere, so this is a good start where we can always come back and connect with each other and see how we can do it better so that the Apple industry, which is the backbone of our state, it can progress and do better.
I'm Izhan. I'm CEO of Fruit Monster AgroFresh and I head the CII panel for horticulture. So our today's theme is sustainability, innovation and inclusivity. As you know that the Apple economy is the backbone of JNK's economy. We bring around 10,000 crores to the economy of JNK, and we employ around 10 lakh people. But when we see the impact of the Apple sector, it is much more, because the allied services, imports, packaging, services, they bring much more to the Kashmir's economy. So it's basically a stakeholder meet where all the stakeholders join us today, and we have panel discussions and we discuss the future roadmap based on sustainability, innovation and inclusivity. So that is the purpose of this event.
Yeah. So what are some of the biggest challenges that the industry is currently facing?
So the major challenges that our industry is facing is climate variability. We have global competition. We have increased quality parameters that we have to be globally competitive. So these are the major challenges, and we have a lot of pre-harvest and post-harvest challenges that we are trying to discuss today at the event.
We have been joined by CEO Orchardly, Ehsan Qudusi. Ehsan, I would like to know what is your role in the sector, and where do you see digitally this market, and what are some of the things that you have incorporated in your company that's helping the farmers?
Thank you. So, Archerly is a startup based out of Kashmir. So, we are trying to remove guesswork from farming and introduce data insights so that farmers can benefit from the data so what we do as a company is we have deployed weather stations across the region. So we collect data from these weather stations, bring it to our servers, then process that data and send out insightful actionable alerts to the growers. Suppose there's a rain coming up tomorrow and our systems detect that there's a probability of a particular disease, so the system automatically sends alerts to the growers of that particular region, with the recommendations that you should go for this spray in this spray window so that you can benefit or you can have preventive measures taken out. Last year अगर आप देखेंगे इस साल जो सीजन खत्म हुआ, we had lot of hailstorm events. तो उससे क्या हुआ कि काफ़ी एरियाज में तो 100% क्रॉप खराब हो गया. हमने 2 साल पहले गवर्नमेंट को एक सजेस्ट किया था, देयर इज अ स्पेनिश कंपनी जो एक एंटी हेल डिवाइस बनाती है. एक डिवाइस हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं जो 5 किलोमीटर के रेडियस में काम करती है और दैट कैन प्रिवेंट हेल स्टॉर्म्स इन दैट 5 किलोमीटर रेडियस.